Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan without egg. First, let's explore the key to achieving that classic creamy texture. Eggs typically provide structure and richness, but we can replicate this using plant-based or alternative thickeners. Understanding these substitutes is crucial for a successful egg-free flan. We'll delve into how each option contributes to the final consistency, ensuring your dessert is both delicious and perfectly set. Next, let's focus on building the foundational liquid for your flan. Whether you prefer traditional dairy or a plant-based option, the choice of milk is important. Coconut milk, for instance, adds a lovely richness and subtle flavor. Combine your chosen milk with sugar, perhaps 1/2 cup for a standard recipe, and any desired flavorings. This mixture forms the canvas for our egg-free creation, ready for the thickening agents. Now for the magic of thickening and infusing flavor. If using cornstarch, create a slurry with cold milk before adding to the warm base, preventing lumps. For agar-agar, typically 1 teaspoon per 2 cups of liquid, ensure it dissolves completely. Stir continuously over medium heat until the mixture thickens to a custard-like consistency. Don't forget to stir in your vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon, or other flavorings for a delightful aroma. Finally, let's talk about setting and serving your magnificent egg-free flan. Carefully pour the warm, thickened mixture into your prepared mold, which should already have a layer of golden caramel at the bottom. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chilling for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, ensures a firm, sliceable texture. When ready, gently invert the flan onto a plate to reveal its glossy caramel topping.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.